Alright, here we are with the van named Terri. This is a 2024 all-wheel drive, long wheelbase mid-roof Ford Transit, custom build for a client. So let's dive in. Let's have the bug wall with the custom magnetic strip. Starting at the back, we have a queen mattress. Lots of overhead storage. This is a Furrion head unit that plays DVDs through this TV, and it's linked up with the 4 speakers that we see around the van. Windows above the bed. Seating for 2 here. Storage in the seat back. This TV is on a swivel. Under the seat we have additional freshwater storage for 20 gallons. And the Dometic CFX 345 liter. Long table. This is all hickory. Standard drawers, additional storage. Lots of storage. Here we have a center console that has the reading light for the bed in the back there, and a cubby with a USB charger for the bed. We have our Victron battery monitor, main cabin dimmer, accent lights in the kitchen dimmer, and the Victron Multi Plus multi-control for the inverter charger. Some little additional storage for medicine and supplements specific for the client. A cubby there. We have a window in the kitchen to vent the air. The water pump, as per usual with my designs, is done on a lighted switch, so we always know when the water pump is on and practice not leaving the water pump on when we're not using it. Overhead storage in the kitchen. This is a mid-roof, so this camera is actually chest mounted right now, which is probably giving a little bit of a weird perspective, but since it's a mid-roof, my head is basically right at the ceiling at about 5'9", so that's why it might look a little bit different than other perspectives from video tours that I've done in the past, and that's also why the overhead cabinets are a little bit smaller. In the kitchen we have big cubbies, and then a full stack of big drawers here. These are all in soft close with an additional bolt latch for when you're driving with weight in the drawers. We have a water setup here that uses the cans and a pump, and the same can for the gray water. Pretty simple. We have some custom drawers here, so this one fits the induction cooktop, which can fit here on the counter or over there. We have 2 outlets there in the kitchen and 2 outlets tucked away over here. And this drawer is custom sized for water kettle and other tea and coffee goods. And just a little drawer down here. Front seats are on swivels, and the client wanted to be able to use this seat to dine, so we have a pull-out table here and some knee and toe clearance underneath there. Passenger seats on a swivel. Under the passenger seat is the S-bar heater. Here we have the controller and the thermostat for the heater. And that's about it for the interior. Let's go around to the back. So we have lights under the bed here. This is a custom bug wall made for the back with the screen that they custom cut the screen at the bed height or whichever height you ask them to, which is really nice. This garage has 2 big bike bays. My client wanted to fit a bike here and an Oru kayak and the shower here, so most of this space will be filled by a foldable kayak. And then the shower, which I'm using a Rinse Kit Pro with the additional heater that you can put in there. And you can charge and or heat the water while driving with this 12-volt outlet in the back. Here's the dimmer switch, just storage. And then the same drawers from the front also pull out the back for lots of additional storage. And this is the first time that I've done this. I've put the low amp circuitry fuse panel with all the blade fuses accessible from the outside of the electrical box here. And we have a 20 amp outlet to be used in the back, as well as all of the breakers are accessible from the back here. So this is a shore power breaker that is used when you plug in shore power, which is actually located underneath the van here, like I've done in the past, to keep it stealth and to keep it out of the weather. There you have it. That is Terri, finished in late summer 2024. Hope you've enjoyed the tour. Keep tuned for more.